Volvo Cars India has unveiled the new XC40 Recharge electric SUV in the country. The new SUV is based on the standard XC40 petrol and is the first all-electric model from the Swedish car maker in India. The electric SUV packs a dual-motor powertrain with 150 kW electric motors on each axle that produce 408 brake horsepower and 660 Nm of peak torque. The electric motors are powered by a 78 kWh battery pack that offers a range of up to 418 km. The SUV can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.9 seconds. Pre-bookings for the Volvo XC40 Recharge electric SUV will open in June this year, while deliveries in India will begin from October onwards. The model will come to India as a completely built unit and prices are expected around 60 lakh rupees ex-showroom.
First of all, we bring a new S60 which is about to start deliveries. But then the biggest is the XC40 Recharge, the first Volvo's full electric car that we are going to launch in India. And for that, our plan is that we will start booking somewhere in June, and then we start deliveries in phased manner from October. And that's not all. For 21, we have an all-new S90 in petrol coming, and also an all-new XC60 in petrol coming later this year. So I think this is going to be a really good year. And I think what we have said, from here where we were in 2020, we want to double our volumes in 2 years.
Triumph Motorcycles has unveiled the 2021 Rocket 3 R Black and Rocket 3 GT Triple Black editions for the world. The British bike maker will be producing the limited edition motorcycles to only 1,000 units each worldwide. Each bike will come with its own unique VIN number and certificate of authenticity. The Rocket 3 R Black gets a matte and gloss paint scheme coupled with black fuel tank badges and new black branding. Alternatively, the Rocket 3 GT Triple Black gets a 3-shade black paint scheme while retaining the more comfortable riding position. Both versions get blacked out components such as the engine, exhaust headers, headlamp bezel, fly screen and more. The bikes get a carbon fiber front mudguard as standard along with a host of black anodized components. Both versions continue to use the 2500cc triple-cylinder engine with 165 bhp and 221 Nm of peak torque on offer. The Indian government is on the verge of introducing the scrappage policy in the country, and now the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Nitin Gadkari, has revealed more about the incentives that people will get for scrapping old cars. According to a recent report, the Transport Minister said that owners who scrap their old vehicles will receive a rebate of 5% from the manufacturer while purchasing a new vehicle under the scrappage policy. Furthermore, scrappage incentives up to 7,500 rupees will be given to three-wheeler and light commercial vehicle owners under the Delhi Electric Vehicle Policy 2020. The move is being made for faster adoption of electric vehicles in the state. The government, though, is yet to announce a timeline for implementing the scrappage policy in India. It is expected to boost the auto sector once implemented.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.